Hi, I'm Kylie and I have been chosen to do a product review on the DeLonghi Nespresso U-Milk, model EN210BAE. This is the machine here. It comes with an Ericino, which is what you froth your milk in, and it also comes with 16 different pods so that you can sample them. When you first take this machine out of the box, it's very simple to set up. You take your water tank, you rinse it with warm water and fill it up again and just simply sit it on the base. A good feature about this model is that it has one power cord. On some of the others I noticed that the Ericino has a separate power cord, which is a good feature because sometimes you don't have enough power points in your kitchen. Another good feature is that the Ericino and the water tank are fitted on a swivel base, which allows you to move it depending on how you'd like to put it on your bench, where your power point is, and what's easier for you. Another function is the drip tray. It can come off if you have a taller glass that you want to use, and it magnetises to each side. Also, the pod capsule holder is magnetic, so you can just take out your pods and chuck them in the bin. With the Ericino, you have two lines inside. One is the maximum if you are using the frother. The second one is if you can take off the spring if you want more of a flat white and use it without and fill it to the top line. That also just magnetises onto there quite easily. Now to make the coffee, it's simple to use. You just flip this up to turn the machine on. The flashing light means that it's warming up. I filled up the milk, if you can see, to the max line in there. You simply put it onto the base and put the lid on and press the only button that it has. Gets your milk starting. I find the milk takes a lot longer than the pod, so I tend to do this first. Now you get your cup. Sometimes it will not fit under the spout with the tray there, so you can just stick it to the magnet on the side. Put your cup underneath, get your pod, drop it in and slide it forward. Now depending, you can choose if you would want it really short, a normal espresso, or like a long black, and push it forward. Your coffee will start to come out. The light's turned off on your milk. It's now dumped the pod as well. So you can simply get your milk, and pour it straight in. And there's your coffee. You don't have to do this all the time, but there is a tray in here which it has dumped the pod into that you can empty it out. With a retail price of $2.99, I think that this machine is great value for money. I'm a busy mum of 3 and I would highly recommend this machine. I can make coffee while I get the kids ready for school and I'm ready to go out the door on time.